What's up guys, my name is Francesco. Today we're gonna make 3 different mocktails using Blendtec blender. Okay, let's go. First step, we're using an option pulse. This cocktail is shaken. So we're using a pulse to mix basil, fresh basil to give all the aroma and the frozen to smash also. We're using 3 bar spoon frozen strawberry. Italian basil, 2 leaf. And we're putting 30 ml of lime juice. We blend it without ice, using pulse option. Put everything in our shaker, and we add the 45 ml of hibiscus tea. We add in ice. Double strain into a chill packet. For our garnish, we're using Italian basil with dehydrated tomato. Here we go. For our second drink, we're using fresh pineapple, homemade pandan syrup, lemon, and ice. A simple smoothie you can drink at home. I choose to customize my option number 3 to give a much more power to smash the pineapple and the ice. Use fresh pineapple, estimated 200 grams for my nice big smoothie. 30 ml of lime juice. I use my homemade pandan syrup, 30 ml. You can simply do at home using 500 ml of water, 400 ml of sugar, and 100 grams of pandan leaves. We're adding ice. As you see, our quality ice is pretty big, matching. I should show you the power of the blender. Put in the belt. Close your belt to less noise. And my option, multi-purpose number 3. Our frozen mocktail is ready. We're using a nice beautiful balloon if you have one at home, or you can use a hybrid. For our third drink, we will doing our homemade ginger beer. So in this next option, we decide to using a hard root. As you see, it's really difficult to muddle it or to peel with a normal muddle. In this recipe, we're using a different function. We're using a function large smoothie. What large smoothie? Meaning the first 30 seconds will be really slowing and mixing your ingredients, and the last 20 seconds is gonna be a strong pulse. We're adding our ginger. We have our fresh lychee juice, 150 ml. We use some lemon juice to balance with sweetness. We're using homemade cinnamon syrup. Close your bell, you're ready to run. Option large smoothie. You will see for the next 20 seconds will be smooth and then a strong pulse. As you see, our ginger now is liquefied. We're gonna use a normal strainer. We double strain our. Once we finish our strainer, we add everything on a siphon. 1 hour later, the ginger beer is ready. Now we created our drink. First is we create our garnish. Using your cucumber, you already use it. Muddle it. 45 ml of fresh pink grapefruit. We shake our cocktail. Double strainer our pink grapefruit. Time to use our ginger beer, homemade ginger beer. Guys, we have really fun tonight. If you need more information about these products, Blendtec, please check our website alignmethod.com, and if you have any question about our recipe, you can text us, add us in online, and you can have all the information about it.